By the end of today's video, you will be able to understand one secret of making money that is used by the wealthy. Hint: it's not investing. If you are new to the channel, be sure to subscribe so that you don't miss future videos. For free indicators, Forex robots, Forex courses, etc., be sure to see the links in the description box below. Let's face it, we all want to be rich to make enough money to make all our problems and worries go away. However, it always seems like a certain section of every society is able to be truly rich and wealthy. We mean having so much money to spend their entire lives and still be able to leave millions more for generations that come after them. While many people quickly look to investing, whether in stocks, forex, options, art, collectibles, etc., as the reason why some people are rich, that's actually not the full story. True, investing is a way to generate money and wealth. However, you don't become truly rich from investing. I have spent quite a bit of time researching wealthy people and their families. A vast majority of them did not make their riches through investing or trading. I found that these folks became wealthy by adding value to society and the world. The more extreme their wealth, the more extreme the value they added to the world. It's as simple as that. Feel free to disagree in the comments box below, but investments cannot make you wealthy. Only you can make you wealthy. Solve other people's problems, figure out how to make people's lives better, add value to your community, and you will soon see money flowing towards you. The harder the problem you solve, the more money you make. People, governments, businesses, and other institutions will pay for that value. Again, the more extreme the value you bring to society, the more extreme the pay you will get. So what about investing? If you look at the rich and wealthy families of the world, investments are just a storehouse for the excess value they have created. They move idle cash into investments as a way of making that money productive, which in a way is another way they add value to society. If you learned something new in today's video, leave a like on the video and share it with your friends. Leave your thoughts and comments below. Remember to subscribe and visit the links in the description box below. See you in the next video.